Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. Today I am going to show you how to add auto captions to your videos using CapCut. Let's dive right in. First, open the CapCut app on your phone. And once you are in CapCut, select the video that you wanted to add captions to from your gallery. With your video loaded into the timeline, tap on the video clip to reveal the editing tools at the bottom of the screen. Okay, so now you have to simply tap on the text option at the bottom. In the text menu, you will see an option for auto captions. Simply tap on it. Okay, so from here, you can choose the language for your captions. Select the appropriate language. And from here, you can also choose a style for your captions to match the look and feel of your video. And once all are done, finally tap on Generate. Once the captions are generated, you can edit them to ensure accuracy. Make sure your captions are easy to read. And that's it. You have successfully added auto captions to your video using CapCut. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.